This is where you hide the remote control so your girlfriend doesn't take it and mess up your channels.
She's right there.
Well, now she's going to know where the remote is.
Well, what the hell am I supposed to do with that?
I don't know. So I came up with this hardware, this mechanism. They don't make that. I'm going to have to make that. That's my first challenge. I just got done building the special hardware. Now, my apprentice Will and I are going to go into the wood shop to build the media center that's going to have the hidden storage with the new hardware.
Tim left me to my own devices.
Will, hey, where the heck? What? Why am I the only one who has to work around here? Look at this. See how it hangs like that? I can live with this. He's on top of here.